Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to build a online JSON converter to various other programming languages using a node library which is AnyJSON. So I have deployed all these tools on my website freemediatools.com and I will be showing you a live demo example. So the link is there inside the video description, freemediatools.com. If you go to this website you will land on these tools here. So first of all I will show you how to convert JSON into XML document. So you will go to this service. So first of all you need to submit JSON file. So this needs to be a valid JSON file here. So if I just select here, if I will select desktop here, and inside my projects directory I have the free media tools folder, and inside this I have this package.json file which I need to convert. And now if I hit this download XML button, so basically it will convert this JSON file to XML and it will download automatically. So if I open this file here, you will see inside Notepad++, if I right click edit with Notepad++, so you will see it has successfully converted to this XML file. So if you need to convert JSON into XML, you can use this tool, free tool available. Now the second tool is that JSON file to Excel file. So there are various instances where you need to convert the JSON file to Excel file. So similar process, once again you will select your package.json here, and if you click download Excel file, now it will download it XLS file here, which is Excel file. So I have a software which is installed here which will open Excel file to us. You can see it has converted to an Excel file. So very simple process. And the next tool is that Excel JSON to CSV. So CSV files are very much used here. So once again you need to select your package.json, and if you click download CSV, it will download a CSV file. It will convert JSON to CSV, and you can open CSV file with Notepad++. So you can see this is a format of CSV files. So in this process you can see all the tools are there. And now if you want to convert CSV file to JSON, you can even do that as well. So now we need to select the CSV file in this case. So I think this is the CSV file. If I click download JSON, you will see it has successfully converted the CSV file to JSON. You can see this time I can right click edit with Notepad++. So you can see it has successfully converted this to a JSON file. And now you can even convert your XML file to JSON. This is a fifth tool. Now you need to select the XML file. So you can see this is the XML file. If I click download JSON, so it will convert this XML to JSON. Very simple process. The interface is very much good here. So the last tool which is available is I think that's it. I have illustrated all the tools here, and now let me just show you how I build this. All the source code will be there inside the video description. A step-by-step blog I have written here, and inside this blog I have given all the source code. You can just copy paste the source code by clicking this copy button, copy to clipboard. You can read all the blog here, understand the code, and you can even make these tools yourself. And now let me just show you the dependency I'm using here. If you go to npm.js, and here you need to type here any-json. So this is a dependency I'm using here. So basically this is a node package. It has got almost 1,16,000 weekly downloads. So in order to use this on your command line, you need to globally install this on your command line. So you just need to open command line and execute this command, npm install any-json-g. So -g stands for global, for globally installing this on your machine. So I have already installed this. So if I type here any-json, you will see the command will work. you can see. So now let me just show you on the command line how simple is that. So if I let me just show you a simple example. So this is my package.json file you will see on of my Node.js project. So if I want to convert this JSON file to a CSV file, I can write the command here, any JSON convert, and then the followed by the input file, which is package.json, and then the output file name, let's suppose output 55 CSV. So if I enter this command, you will see it is saying to us that CSV encoding requires the object to be an array. So there is a restriction here. So you need to surround your JSON file inside the square brackets. So this is a restriction. In the tool, I have already done that automatically for you, but manually, if you are converting, you need to surround your JSON file with these square brackets. So now if you again execute this command, the command will work, and now your file is ready. This is your CSV file, very simple. And similarly, you can convert to XML file as well. So if I change the extension to XML, you will see output 55.xml. So very simple process, a very simple command that you want to execute on your command line. So basically inside my tool, I am executing this command inside background. So whenever the command completes, I return the result as a downloadable file, which the user can download. So basically it supports various programming languages. You can see JSON 5. If you just search here, if you just write any JSON, it supports various files here. It supports CSON, CSV, high HJSON, INI, JSON, JSON5, 2ML, YAML. It also supports the Excel file as well. So I will add all the tools in the upcoming future as well. So make sure that you go to freemediatools.com to get the updated tools. So now if I want to convert, let's suppose to CJSON. So CJSON is a great file type. So you will see output 55.json. So basically the only difference between CJSON and JSON is that in JSON you need to put a comma here, but in CJSON you need not have to put a comma here. So CJSON is a popular file type. If you search on Google, let's suppose JSON to CJSON online converter, so you will not find a converter for this. Very few websites supports this. You will see this is a website, this is one website, but apart from that you will not find a single website which converts this process for you. So I will highly recommend that you go to freemediatools.com, share my tools with your friends if you want to, and please subscribe to this channel. Please like the video if you like it, and I will be seeing you in the next tutorial.